Are you tired of wasting your weekends cleaning your pool? Well, here is the answer. Here is Light One GVAC from Gosvor. It weighs in at 15 pounds that you can easily carry and drop it in and go. Now, this is my first time setting it up, so I'm doing that with you here today. I've preloaded the app, and look how easy this app is. The app was super easy to load. It worked on the first try, which isn't the case with all of them. The very first option you have is to pick the pattern of your pool. Now, this spray cleaner will do the walls, the floors, and the waterline, and your shallow tanning ledge surfaces. Now, I've pressed it on here because we're going to cycle through the different modes to show you those, but the app lets you pre-program the shape of your pool. You can have a S shape or an adaptive path. The S shape is better for flat bottom pools, and the adaptive path is better for bowl shaped pools. I have a flat bottom pool, so I'm going to pick that one. And let's see what choices it gives me. Now I get to pick my pattern, smart, floor, walls, or periodic mode. I'm going to pick smart because I wanted to do it all. Now, we just simply drop it in the pool. Those same things that are presented on the app are right here physically on the LED screen if you don't want to use the app, but either one is so easy. Now, let's go drop it in. Now, one thing I want to point out, it has a unique filter system. It comes pre-installed with a super fine filter basket. Now, this is for when you have very heavy debris, and this is for your everyday light debris. When you're starting your season off, this is the one you're going to want to use. I'm going to keep it in here so we can see how it works, but after the initial clean, you won't need to use that. But it's nice that it comes pre-installed. And when you turn on the app, it automatically goes to the smart mode. That's what we're going to select. Let's go put it in the pool and watch you do it. It's very easy to carry at 15.2 pounds, yet powerful enough to run 200 minutes on a single charge. There she goes, and she's off. With the smart navigation app control, it doesn't miss a spot. With 3 Micron Fine-Filters, it captures even the tiniest debris other vacuums leave behind. Less time cleaning, more time enjoying your pool. But don't let the lightweight fool you. See, she climbs on the platform. She'll clean the floors, the walls, and the water lines with precision. Now you can see that caterpillar tread system at work. It enhances mobility and climbing activity. The first pass here, it is navigating the pattern of my pool to get its program down for every use in the future. Its 260 millimeter wide dual roller brushes maximize cleaning efficiency, and that's going to save time and effort, eliminating extra tools and manual scrubbing. With that extra fine filter option and the 3.6 top loader filter basket, it makes routine maintenance very easy. At a glance, easy LED lights indicate and show the pool cleaner status, and the app is a pro at letting you see where it is, and it's one of the easiest apps I've ever used, which works only on land and no user data is collected. You can see this great path that it's making, easily taking out the debris in its path. Now, after it has mastered its path of your pool, it starts its unique climbing and specialization. Look at it climb this very hard to clean area of my pool. It's curved, it's a tanning ledge, and it's on a curved bottom pool. So there's 3 different junctions here that make it difficult. The bottom, the curve in the tanning ledge, and the curve in the wall. But it is climbing it, it's mastering it, and it is scrubbing all the way. I'm so impressed with this. This is where a lot of pool cleaners fell back, but it is getting it and even getting the water line above my tanning ledge. So it works really great in shallow areas. It's comprehensive and it's tailored for different pool shapes and different pool materials. And it's really good on the steps and the platform access areas. Now look at it here. It's going to scrub the water line and the walls, and it has a very organized system. You can see the pattern that it's made from the previous run where it programmed itself, but look at it go up and down without missing a spot. It has a 3960 GPH engineered suction power and up to 200 minutes of continuous runtime. And it covers up to 2150 square foot per cycle. And of course, that multi-layer filtration system with a 3 micron ultrafine filter really helps get all the tiny pieces. Now, here's where it shines. Look at its lightweight ability, but strong traction on my stairs. It has an organized pattern to attack every inch of my stairs. And there is a fine dust on these stairs, and it is really getting everything in its path. Be sure to watch till the end to see a graphic that outlines all these major benefits for you. This was provided for my honest opinion, and I really, really like this pool cleaner. I've done a thorough study of it, and I think my favorite piece of it is the way it works on the steps and the platforms and irregular shapes. I highly recommend this really great cleaner, and I hope you like this video and will like and follow to see more from this great company as well as others like this. I highly recommend this really great pool cleaner.